Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that pulls objects toward each other. It is the invisible force that keeps planets in orbit around the sun and makes objects fall to the ground when dropped. On Earth, gravity gives everything weight and ensures we stay anchored to the ground. It's essentially the Earth's way of saying, "Stay close to me." This force affects the movement of all objects, regardless of size or weight. For example, when you drop a ball, gravity pulls it straight down, and when you throw an object upward, gravity slows it down until it stops and pulls it back down. Even in space, gravity keeps the moon orbiting Earth and Earth orbiting the sun, shaping the motion of everything from tiny pebbles to entire planets. While gravity accelerates all objects at the same rate, about 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth, factors such as air resistance, shape, surface area, and mass can affect how objects fall. For instance, a feather falls more slowly than a stone because it encounters more air resistance. In a vacuum, however, where there is no air, all objects fall at the same rate regardless of their weight or shape. Gravity also affects moving objects in other ways. When you throw a ball, it follows a curved path because gravity pulls it downward as it moves forward. Similarly, gravity accelerates objects rolling downhill, slows them when moving uphill, and pulls jumping or flying objects back to the ground. Without gravity, objects would continue moving in straight lines without stopping or curving. In everyday life, gravity is ever present and affects the objects around us in countless ways. It keeps cars, buildings, and people grounded, makes water flow downhill to create rivers and waterfalls, and gives us weight, ensuring we don't float away. It even dictates that objects we drop fall to the ground, reminding us of its constant influence. Gravity is a universal force that governs the motion of objects both large and small, shaping our daily experiences and the movement of celestial bodies in the universe. Understanding gravity helps us appreciate the invisible force that keeps our world in balance.